Attention aspiring hairstylists and aestheticians. Autumn Academy is introducing the basic to advanced hair course and skin course. Hair course includes basics of trichology, consultation procedures, advanced haircuts, chemical treatments, live model demonstration, and more. Skin course includes basics of skin science, consultation procedures, facial massage techniques, waxing techniques, live model demonstration, and more. Academy perks, located in Alvin, Miapur. The basic to advanced hair course and skin course includes duration 4 months, fees 1,20,000 rupees, duration 3 months, fees 90,000 rupees.